Hello, it's Joe from the Clever Car Collection, and today I'm very pleased to be showing you around this fantastic 2016 plate Nissan Qashqai. It's been finished to a really high specification, has been really well looked after by its previous owners, and in this video we're going to take a good look around it so you know exactly what you're coming to see when you come here to the frankly fantastic Clever Car Collection to take this great vehicle for a test drive. Let's take a look. So, as already mentioned, this has been finished to the really high specification being the N connector model. It's got the 1.5 DCI Euro 6 diesel engine, which makes it both Ulez compliant and also benefits from road tax of just £20 per year. It's done around 62,250 miles and has had 4 previous owners. So we'll take a good look around the bodywork and point out any minor or major marks that we have seen as this has been going through our valet bay. So starting at the front, nothing really of note along the bumper there. We can see a couple of very minor, just little stone dings on the front there. On the bonnet itself, no major scratches or marks. There is a slight sort of ding or dent you might just be able to make out here and here. Quite difficult to see, and the camera's not great at picking it up, but yeah, nothing too major. Front wing, nothing of note. This wheel is in pretty good condition. Around passenger side doors, again, both in good condition, as is this wheel. Working our way round to the boot. Great boots on these Qashqais, really big, really versatile, pure drive. Let's take a quick look as we're here. Ooh. There you go, so large boot to start with, but in the Qashqai you also get these removable sections, so you've either got a kind of hiding place underneath, these drop down if you haven't got much and just a couple of bags of shopping to stop it rolling around, or they can be removed completely to maximise the kind of boot depth there. So that's all looking good. Full parking camera and sensors, both front and rear, that we can see down there that we'll take a look at when we're inside. But again, just finishing off round back to the driver's side on the paintwork. Nothing to note on the rear wing there. This wheel again, pretty good condition. A minor mark just here, just a little parking ding you can see. Driver's door, all looking good. Just again, a couple of little stone chips and a little parking ding there. And driver's front wing, all looking good. And both wing mirrors also in great condition. So as you can see, for a 2016 car with just over 62,000 miles, it really has polished up well with our Auto Glim products. So again, just before we jump in the driving seat and have a look at the service history and that spec, you can see good space in the back of these with ISOFIX on both back seats, and also great amount of room in the front as well. Okay, so inside the vehicle now, just start it up so you can see there's no warning lights. There we go. Let's just take the handbrake off to remove that one. Oh, and just turn the air conditioning down slightly. So yeah, there we are, engine running, no warning lights. And you can see there, 62,159 currently on the clock. As I already mentioned, the specification on the N connector model, as this is really great. You get the upgraded stereo option, so you've obviously got radio, CD, aux input, and as we can see there, the aux supports Apple devices using the USB, players and sticks, smartphones as well via that, as well as Bluetooth. So quite a good stereo option there. Also comes with the 360-degree parking camera, as you can see, with sensors front and rear, and also the full navigation package there, if I press the right button. So, as mentioned, a really good sort of infotainment system there. And then moving down, you also get the dual zone climate control. So air conditioning, but also different settings that can be had for passenger and driver, which is always nice. An electric handbrake on this one as well. And plenty of steering wheel mounted control. So both stereo controls and speed limiter and cruise control there as well. And last but not least, we'll just take a quick look at the service history. So I've got the book in front of me here showing services in 2017 at 3,600 miles, 2018 at 15,700, 2020 at 30,400, 2021 at 35,300, those good old COVID years where mileage was low, 2022 at 44,700, 2023 at 53,100 and 2024 at 59,400. This vehicle will also be serviced by us ahead of delivery. It will also come with a fresh 12-month MOT and as standard a 3-month 3,000 mile warranty with the option to upgrade to a 12-month unlimited warranty if you so wish. We can also offer full nationwide delivery. Fees will apply, but please get in contact for a quote for that. And we have a range of finance options available also should you be looking to purchase this using finance. But yeah, I'm glad or I hope you've enjoyed this video, and we look forward to welcoming you to the Clever Car Collection to take this really versatile Nissan Qashqai for a test drive very soon. See you next time.